Have you ever wanted to enjoy fresh, tangy pickles without the hassle of canning? Let's explore how refrigerator pickles are made quickly and easily. Refrigerator pickles, also known as quick pickles, are a simple way to preserve cucumbers without the need for canning equipment. They're perfect for those who want to enjoy fresh-tasting pickles in just hours. Unlike traditional canned pickles, refrigerator pickles require no sterilizing jars or canning process. Simply slice cucumbers and mix them with a brine of vinegar, sugar, and spices. The pickling process is quick. You can enjoy your refrigerator pickles in as little as an hour. However, for best flavor, let them sit overnight and they'll last up to a month if stored properly in the fridge. To ensure your pickles stay crunchy and flavorful, use fresh cucumbers and top off the liquid with more vinegar or water as needed during storage. This helps maintain their texture and taste. These pickles are versatile. You can add onions, peppers, or other vegetables for additional flavors. They're perfect as a snack or garnish for sandwiches and salads. With a simple recipe requiring only basic ingredients like vinegar, sugar, cucumbers, and spices, making refrigerator pickles is an easy way to enjoy fresh-tasting pickles without the complexity of traditional canning methods. Now you know how simple it is to make your own refrigerator pickles. Why not try making some yourself? Share your experience and favorite flavors in the comments.